Amid ongoing conflict and economic sanctions, Russia has taken a new approach. Instead of focusing on costly new-generation jets, it's reviving the Su-34 Fullback through massive upgrades and full-scale production. This move reflects Moscow's pragmatic mindset, efficiency under pressure, innovation under limitation. What was once seen as a conventional bomber is now evolving into a symbol of the endurance of Russia's defense industry. The Su-34, derived from the Su-27, was designed to replace the aging Su-24 Fencer. With a side-by-side cockpit and payload capacity of up to 8 tons, the jet was originally meant for long-range ground strikes. Through the Su-34M modernization program, the aircraft now carries advanced digital avionics, a new radar system, a next-gen mission computer, and an upgraded Kai-BNU electronic warfare suite, allowing it to perform reconnaissance, strike, and electronic warfare all in one platform. One of the biggest breakthroughs in the Su-34M is the integration of the UMPK, Planning and Correction Module. This system transforms standard FAB-500 and FAB-1500 bombs into precision-guided munitions with a range of over 50 kilometers. It allows the Su-34 to strike from beyond enemy air defense zones, conserving more expensive guided missiles and turning cheap iron bombs into strategic, cost-effective weapons. The addition of UMPK also reshaped Russian air tactics. The Su-34 now operates alongside reconnaissance drones, receiving live targeting data directly to its encrypted mission computer, reducing reaction time from minutes to seconds. Despite facing Western technology sanctions, Russia managed to build an integrated strike system using simpler but highly effective battlefield solutions designed for rapid adaptation. The NAPO, Novosibirsk Aircraft Production Association, plant is now the heart of Su-34 mass production. Once producing only a few units a year, reports since 2024 show output surging to around 30 aircraft annually. The factory runs around the clock, backed by the Defense Ministry and a wide supplier network spread across Russia. Under sanctions, such progress stands as a remarkable testament to the resilience of Russia's wartime industry. This production push shows how determined Moscow is to maintain its aerial dominance. New Su-34Ms are delivered to frontline units almost every 2 months, with some immediately joining combat missions. For Russia, each new jet is not only an addition to its fleet, but also a strategic and political message to the world. Its production capabilities are not paralyzed. They are accelerating under global pressure. Unlike Western nations that modernize in peacetime, Russia has chosen modernization during war. Technical teams from NAPO are sent directly to active combat zones to gather feedback from pilots. Suggestions on radar functions, flight control, and communications are implemented in subsequent production batches. As a result, the Su-34M evolves rapidly, learning from every real-world mission it flies. The latest variants feature improved avionics cooling, high-resolution electro-optical cameras in the nose, and encrypted communication systems linked directly to command centers. Together, these upgrades turn the Su-34M into a multi-role combat platform capable of surviving, striking, and providing intelligence within the same mission. This adaptability demonstrates Russia's ability to evolve its equipment in real time under battlefield conditions. Modernization has not been without challenges. Russia continues to face shortages in advanced microelectronics due to international sanctions. Yet, the defense sector has adapted by developing local substitutes and sourcing components from non-Western partners such as China and Belarus. While not on par with Western tech, these alternatives perform effectively in the field. Russia's philosophy is clear: It's better to produce 10 ready-to-fight aircraft with mid-level tech than one ultra-sophisticated jet stuck in development. The result is striking. Over 150 active units, with dozens more in production, make Russia's Su-34 fleet the largest tactical bomber force in Europe. The aircraft now spearheads strikes on infrastructure and logistics hubs. This large-scale upgrade sends a clear message to NATO. Despite isolation, Russia can still produce and modernize heavy combat aircraft at scale, reaffirming its industrial and military resilience. At first glance, the Su-34M might look like the old Su-34 with minor improvements. But beneath the metal skin lies a quiet revolution. Refined systems, evolved doctrine, and expanded capabilities that make it a powerful tool in modern warfare. The rapid production and upgrades are not just technical decisions, but strategic statements that Russia's air power remains intact and evolving. This modernization drive proves that superiority in modern warfare is not only about technology, but also about adaptability and industrial consistency. The Su-34M is no longer just a weapon, it's a symbol of Russia's defense industry rebirth, forged under pressure, shaped by combat, and standing as proof that true strength lies in the ability to endure and evolve even in crisis. Meanwhile, local supply chains and regional industries are gaining new life, creating jobs and pushing innovation. The conflict has accelerated not only military transformation, but also a broader industrial revival that Moscow clearly intends to sustain. This video and its narration are created for educational, documentary, and analytical purposes only. It does not aim to promote, glorify, or justify any act of war or violence. All materials are based on open-source information and defense analysis. Any scenes, footage, or statements are included solely for educational illustration. Always verify facts from trusted sources.